P.E.T. or Parent Effectiveness Training is a program founded by Dr. Thomas Gordon in the 1960s. Dr. Gordon felt that parents were blamed but not trained. In his words, P.E.T. is a complete system, principles as well as techniques to establish and maintain an effective total relationship with a child in any and all circumstances. Over 8 weeks, through a series of teachers, small and large group discussions, demonstrations, role plays, workbook exercises, lots and lots of coaching and modeling, and some homework, you will learn the complete system of communication. The language is simple and easy to understand. The content is potent and comes tried and tested by millions of parents all over the world. Working in a group makes learning fun and enjoyable. The simple, elegant, and robust framework of P.E.T. is based on 3 core values. Value 1. Your children have a right to get their important needs met. In P.E.T., you will learn a special set of helping skills to support your children when they have a problem. Value 2. As parents, you have a right to get your important needs met in your relationship with your children and with each other. P.E.T. teaches you confrontation skills to help your children modify their behavior out of consideration for your needs. Value 3. Families are important. All families can be more loving, open, honest, and happy. P.E.T. teaches you conflict resolution skills to work on your real everyday problems to find satisfactory solutions for all members. No one loses. In summary, communication is the lifeblood and the bedrock of parenting, of any human endeavor really. It is a skill, when learned, can ease life and make it a whole lot better for you and your entire family. In your journey as a parent on this earth, P.E.T. is a worthy investment of your time, money, and effort. For more information, visit www.journeytoselfhood.com.